Expressive Video 2. Sentence 1. You asked the right question. Sentence 2. Did you drive my car? Sentence 3. You must improve your sentences. Sentence 4. I have $150.25. Sentence 5. The pig had a long nose. Sentence 6. I enjoy pizza with my soda pop. Sentence 7. Your friend is a cop or a policeman. Sentence 8. Tomorrow I home go. Sentence 9. School must you go. Sentence 10. Candy all gone.